Well, this is Wedgwood. The pattern is Charnwood. It's late 20th century, little sugar bowl, 4-inch diameter with a plain rim, just with the gilt decoration, very fine condition, beautiful clean interior. Little small area of transfer block work on the inner wall of the, it's almost what we describe as an open ball sugar basin, pedestal footed, again gilt decoration around the base. Period double stamped Wedgwood Charnwood, basic Wedgwood green urn marks underneath, and then on top Charnwood WD3984, the pattern reference and pattern name. Rear blockwork and front blockwork are identical, nicely decorated. A very fine piece of English Wedgwood porcelain china. Wedgwood Charnwood pattern. Dates from, say, last quarter of the 20th century. Don't think it's any older than that, but in fine condition. A nice replacement for somebody with a Charnwood tea set. Thanks for watching.